So this is part 3, I think, of my review of the Shadow PC, cloud gaming PC, what have you. So I got it recording in OBS, and I have the USB camera connected, which is currently the audio. Now, something weird about it is I need to basically, if I've ever plugged the, go away Microsoft, if I ever plug the camera in and I disconnect it or shut down the Shadow PC and then try to start the Shadow PC back up, it bugs out, and the audio gets all broken up and poppy and messed up. So basically, every time I want to use the USB camera, I need to shut down my primary PC, boot it back up, plug the camera in, then start Shadow fresh, and use it from that point forward. For some reason, for me, and I have seen videos on YouTube where people had perfectly good streaming video. For whatever reason, mine is terrible. It lags probably 5 to 10 seconds behind. You get like 1 frame per minute, if that. It's not smooth at all. The audio is fine, as long as I don't unplug the camera and I don't shut down the Shadow PC. Again, if I do, I need to reboot my whole entire primary PC to get it running smoothly again. So I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong. I've tried turning settings on, turning settings off. I've tried giving it auto control over the bandwidth. Tried turning on the TCP audio and input, and turning one on and one off, and nothing I do makes the camera work. Nothing I do makes the USB device recognize properly. It is a beta feature, so I mean, you have to kind of accept the fact that it's beta. But I don't know if I'm doing something incorrectly, or if it's just the devices I'm using or the internet I'm using. But I am not having the same experience as others were having on YouTube. Just for a reference, I believe I get 150 down on my primary PC, and I believe it's like 10 or 15 up. I am going to try to double check right now, so if the video gets messed up because I click out, sorry. So I'm opening up my browser on my primary PC. You guys won't be able to see this, so you just have to take my word for it. And we will go to speedtest.net. Now this, because I am streaming to the cloud PC and downloading from it, it might affect some of the speeds a bit, but it still should be fairly accurate. I've clicked go, and it is loading. So my ping's 12 milliseconds. Download speed is 140, 145. What's the final? 139.95 megabytes. And I'm getting about 7, 9, 10. See, we're still going 10, 10.1, 11, 11.13 up. And like I said, keep in mind it's probably going to be affected a bit because I am streaming from the cloud PC. So 12 millisecond ping, 140 down, 11 up. Affected a bit by my actually connecting to the cloud PC and recording and audio and all that. So realistically, I should be 150 to probably 1215 up. So I don't know if that is affecting it or not. I'm sure If I had better internet speed up, that would help quite a bit. But, I mean, 15 up is kind of standard for Comcast. I don't know if I can request more up. I know you can get more up if you're a business. If you set up that yourself with business internet, you'll be able to get better up. That being said, it's also more expensive for download and upload speed for business. I guess I can quickly download a video game. I don't know what game I want to download. I don't think I own Left 4 Dead, hon. I actually need Steam, so let's go ahead and get Steam. And we will find a free game. If I can type. Go to download. Install Steam. Save file. No, the reason I'm recording this is just so we can see how quickly things download too. Steam's all done. Yes, make changes. Next. 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 Yes, next. Take my soul. Yep, update Steam. And we'll pin to the taskbar while we're waiting. Now again, I've seen some people say that the system actually changes periodically, that they've had issues where like the CPU would change. Oh, 3.2. So, haven't seen an instance where I actually get a different CPU. It could have been an old thing, could have been people just trolling, could be RNG, but log into an existing account. Let me just check to see. Okay, it's gonna come up with stars for you guys. I believe that's my name. I don't remember what my username is. It's been a while since I've used this new one. Alright. I should have gotten an email. Come on. There we go. It shouldn't matter if you guys see this. Watch, it does. Someone out there's gonna hack my account now. Oh, shit happens. Alright, so we are in, and this is a brand new account, so I don't have any games. So let's go ahead and find free to play. Where is it? You alright?
Yeah. Summer's been out there. It's cold. Come on, Summer. Oh, I know.
Battle right, huh? Smite. Yep. I think Smite's a big one, and like file size wise, and pretty sure that's a little demanding, so we can test the system out later. Today I'm just gonna stick with the USB information, and we'll see how these download speeds work. Again, I hope you guys have better results with the USB. Alright, graphics dying. Hello? Yep. Graphics are dying. That was interesting. Hope you guys have better results with the USB stuff. Maybe you guys have some information for me. Maybe even Shadow Gaming, Shadow Cloud PC will actually reach out to me and let me know. There we go. So 10 gigabytes. We'll see how long it takes to download those 10 gigs. It's 4:01 is about the time that we started. And this is going to be live, so feel free to fast forward if you get bored. I can understand watching a game download could be a little boring.
Do you want anything?
No, I think I'm okay.
Halloween candy?
Ginger ale?
No ginger ale.
No?
I mean, not here.
Oh.
Can we go down and get you one?
No.
Because I kind of want to leave you.
Okay, if you're gonna be down there.
No, I don't want to be down there, but I love you.
Change it.
I'll bring some up anyways. There's no more ginger ale?
Okay.
Did she keep the soda somewhere else?
No, I think we're just getting low.
Y'all drink way too much soda.
Yeah.
I mean, your mom doesn't count. You want to root beer and stuff?
Yeah.
Too many to ginger ale.
Jerk. Love you, baby.
Oh, you. Do you want me to put the mushroom in the fridge?
Yeah, I'll put it away in a minute. I'll probably go lay down in a little bit too. I'm tired of feeling exhausted throughout the whole entire day. Might help once we start getting back into shape.
I don't think so.
No?
No. I'm kind of weird that this conversation is going to be like in a video.
Whatever. I'm sure they don't care.
It's true. Maybe that's why they watch your videos. Because they're bad and this is entertaining.
Maybe. Well, I do mine raw. I don't want to do,
Yeah, I know you do yours raw. Look at our son.
stupid. This is supposed to be family friendly. God damn it.
Well, now it's not. You said a bad word. You might not get the joke.
No, it's probably, I could not do family friendly.
Let's do some ASMR.
No ASMR. So 5 minutes to download 10 gigs.
Nice.
It's not too bad. So, For anybody who actually sat there, you might have heard an interesting conversation. For anybody who's going to go back. But, so we're looking at, it was 4:01, it is now 4:06, so it's a total of 5 minutes, give or take a few seconds, to download 10 gigs, which really isn't too bad. Next video I'm going to do is going to be me jumping into Smite, setting up some of the frames per second, and kind of checking out how we do on my end. So far everything's really smooth. I click somewhere and it does what it does, so I assume that I won't have issues, but you never know. It could be absolute garbage, like the USB thing right now, but this is their whole entire product, so if it's garbage, it's probably a bigger issue. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go ahead, like, subscribe. I will be continuing to post videos of this and other things. I'm not quite sure what, but this for sure, at least right now.